Hi there, my name is Nic Fragale, and I am a Senior Solutions Architect here at NetFoundry. It is my pleasure today to show you a brand new solution from NetFoundry called Customer Connect. I'm going to go over what use case this solves, why it's important to you, and exactly what type of benefits you should expect to see, while giving you an awesome demo. Let's begin. Every provider deployment starts the same. Another VPN, another exception, another firewall rule that breaks the moment the customer changes anything. That sprawl is your attack surface. Inbound ports, shared credentials, flat networks wide open to lateral movement. And it doesn't scale. Every new customer is another ticket, another cert rotation, weeks of onboarding instead of minutes. Customer Connect ends this. Customer Connect flips the model. Embed the SDK once, or drop in a lightweight connector. Deployment takes minutes with zero firewall, DNS, or IP changes on the customer side. Every connection authenticates first, mutual TLS, before anything is reachable. There's no open inbound ports to attack. Access is scoped to identity and workload, never network location. And it's all managed from one plane across every customer at scale. On the demo setup, I've got a scenario. Dynanic Corporation's client device as a customer, pulling access to a resource NetFoundry, the provider, owns, plus a separate resource sitting inside of Dynanic's own subnet that has been granted access to through the same connection. That's a good way to show the architecture of a provider workload and customer on-prem path, both resolving through the same client with zero reconfiguration on either side. This is the NetFoundry provider's dashboard. 4 customers onboarded, each with their own locations, connectors, and usage telemetry. Dynanic is the one we'll drill into. Inside of Dynanic, my client device is registered as one of the 2 active connectors. Connectors are how anything gets on this network. They come in 3 forms: a device connector that exposes a local resource, a gateway connector that forwards to anything reachable behind it, or an SDK embedded directly into an application. Mine's a device, which you can see here, the client running on my MacBook. That's what's letting this machine participate in Dynanic's network. Let's take a look at the access policies granting connectors their reach. Let's grant Dynanic's employees the access they require. The source will be Dynanic's location. The employees. On the destination side is a resource that lives within Dynanic's own network. I have it selected here. I'll do the same for the provider's resource. Let's grant Dynanic employees the access that the provider gives them. Reachability isn't about whose network you're sitting on, because it's the same connector here, and there's 2 different ownership domains. It's about what the policy explicitly grants. My device now has access to 2 different types of resources, one in Dynanic and 2 in the NetFoundry provider. Let's take a look at the Dynanic customer now. We see 2 different access policies granted. One allows me to get to the virtual desktop that my company, Dynanic, provides me. Let's give that a shot. Great. The RDP session loads up. My machine has explicit access to this resource and nothing more. Once you've onboarded a handful of customers, the pattern repeats. Templates capture everything that defines a customer. So the next onboarding is a copy, not a rebuild. Models do the same thing for connectors. Construct one once, then stamp out the next in minutes. That's what makes this scale past customer number one. And we can see that by clicking on templates. I can go to a customer and create a template from it. I can also go to a model and create a new model from an existing type, giving it application access, granting it access, right in the model, ready to be copied. This is what it all adds up to. Deployments go live in minutes, not months. Security objections shrink, so sales cycles shrink with them. Faster deployment means faster revenue recognition. Less networking overhead per customer means lower ops cost at scale. And zero trust access with no inbound attack surface means stronger security than what you had before. Not a trade, an upgrade. It's built to meet FIPS, HIPAA, PCI, NIST, and a dozen other frameworks you already answered to. This is the solution you were looking for. I want to say thank you for watching and learning about Customer Connect today. NetFoundry's solution for onboarding customers at scale securely is quite an amazing thing. We hope we can show it to you. Let us know how we can help you and reach out to us today. Thank you.